Hello everyone, welcome to Sadhana Educational Academy channel. In this video, we are discussing math section given in SSC GD paper, which is held on 11 January 2023. First shift paper we are going to discuss. The first question, if you say, Manish bought an air conditioner for 46,875 rupees. Its value is depreciating at the rate of 8% yearly. What will be the price of air conditioner after 3 years? So, first you have to observe what is the percentage of depreciation every year happening, 8%. Depreciation means decrease. So if you suppose original value is 100%, 8% decrease, then it will become 92%. So every year, the value of the machine is evaluated as 92%. And like that, it is given 3 years. That is why we have to take whole cube into original value 46,875 is given. Now, we have to simplify this expression to get our answer. But here, we have the calculation difficulty. So, don't try to calculate the numbers and don't try to simplify the expression as it is, which is very difficult to solve. So, try to apply digital root concept to get to our answer quickly. So, applying digital root, I am taking 92 digital root is 2. 2 cube is 8 into 46,875 digital root. 4 plus 5, 9, 0. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 means 3. So 8 into 3, 24. 24 means 6. So our answer is expected to have digital root 6. So out of given options, we have to verify which of the options is having digital root 6. If you see the first option, 3 plus 6, 9, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 means 9, 9 means 0. So this is not my answer. Next, if you see second option, 4 plus 5, 9, 3 plus 4, 7, which is not matching. Third option, 3 plus 6, 9, 5 plus 1, 6, matching. And next option, 3 plus 6, 0, 5 plus 2, 7. So this is also not matching. So our answer is 36,501 is the answer according to the digital. On the first day, it covered 240 kilometers. On the second day, it covered 360 kilometers in 8 hours. And on the third day, it covered a distance of 450 kilometers in 6 hours. Find the average distance covered per hour over 3 days. So here we have to find average distance covered per hour. So for that reason, we have to take total distance traveled. 240 kilometers, 360 kilometers and 450 kilometers. Total distance traveled by total time taken. Total time taken is 6 hours plus 8 hours plus 6 hours. So I am taking total distance traveled. 600 plus 450 is 1050. Distance traveled by total time taken 6 plus 8 plus 6, 20 hours. So 0, 0 cancel, 2 cancel 5 times, 2.5 times. Therefore, this average distance traveled per hour is 52.5 kilometers per hour. So first option is the correct answer. An increase of 25% in the price of onions enables a woman to buy 5 kgs less for 200 rupees. The increased price of onions per kg is. Here it is given that price is increased by 25%. Price is increased, then we will have the deficit amount to purchase onions. So how many kgs of onions are missing because of the price increase? 5 kgs. So 25% when price is increased, we are having the deficit amount of 25% of A's. So this is the deficit amount for which we are losing 5 kgs onions. Therefore, 5 cancel here, 5 times 5% of 200 is 10. 10 rupees per kg is the onion price, which is new price or increased price of onions per kg. So third option is the correct answer. Person travels in a car for 600 kilometers at an average speed of 550 kilometers per hour and 100 kilometers at 100 kilometers per hour, and finally reaches his destination by traveling 50 kilometers at a speed of 25 kilometers per hour. Determine the average speed during the whole journey. So here average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time taken we have to take. First, total distance 600 kilometers plus 100 kilometers, 700 plus 50. Total distance traveled is 750 kilometers by total time taken 600 kilometers at 50 kilometers per hour. Therefore, time taken in the first case is 12 hours plus 100 kilometers at the speed of 100 kilometers per hour. Time taken is 1 hour plus 50 kilometers at 25 kilometers per hour. Time taken is 2 hours. Therefore, total distance traveled 750 kilometers by total time taken 15 hours. The average speed is 50 kilometers per hour. So first option is the correct answer. Next question. There are 90 female members and 60 male members in a club. If the average age of female members is 5 years and average age of male members is 45 years, then find the average age of the whole club. So here to find the average of all the members, we have to apply method of elimination to get quick answer. So there are 90 female members whose average age is given as 35 years. And there are 60 male members whose average age is given as 45. 45. So I have to find average of all the members together. So if I find ratio 330s, 230s, total mix of 5 members. So total distance 45 to 35 is 10. Is divided into 5 parts where each part is 2. Then 2 parts is 4. 35 plus 4, the answer is 39 is the average of all the members in the club. First option is the correct answer. Difference between the two numbers is 15% of their sum. Find the ratio of the smaller number to the larger number. So here if I take sum and difference, sum means A plus B, difference means A minus B. Here sum is, if I suppose 100x, difference is 15%, 15x. So if I take xx cancel, 5 table 20 times cancel, 5 table 3 times cancel. So if I take cross multiplication, 3a plus 3b is equal to 20a minus 20b. So 3a brought right side, 20b brought right side. So we have 17a is equal to 23b. But I want to find the ratio between smaller number and larger number. So a is to b is 23 is to 17. A smaller number is 17, larger number is 23. The ratio is 17 is to 23. Third option is the correct answer. Radius of a cone is 5 cm and its slant height is 16 cm. Its total surface area will be. So total surface area of a cone is pi RL plus pi R square, where L is slant height, R is radius. So I'm taking pi common, 22 by 7 into radius, which is given as 5 centimeter, also taken common, L. L is given as 16 plus R taken common means out of R square, R is taken common, remaining one more R is left here, but R is given as 5 centimeter. So 7 cancel in 16 plus 5, 21, 3 times. So our answer is 3 5s 15, 15 22s, 330 is the answer. The first option is the correct answer. Part 20 buttons for 1 rupee. How many buttons she must sell for 1 rupee in order to get a profit of 25%? We know that amount is equal to price into quantity. Oh, I'm taking the relationship between amount in case of investment, amount in case of income, amount in case of income. So, amount in case of investment is 1 rupee and amount in case of income is also 1 rupee is equal to price. Price in case of investment is supposed as 100x, and while selling I am taking 25% extra, therefore selling price is 125x into quantity in case of purchase is 20 buttons and quantity in case of sales is how many buttons that I have to find. So if I simplify this one, XX cancel, 20 table 5 times, 25 table 4 times, 25 table 5 times, 5 table 4 times. Therefore, quantity 2 is equal to, if I take cross multiplication, 4 4s are 16 is the number of buttons that should be given. So, fourth option is the correct answer. In a proportion, the product of 1 and 4th term is 70 and second and third term is 3.5x. The value of x is. So, if I take the proportion as A is to B is a, it is given that the product of first and fourth last term is 70. A into D is equal to B into C is the relationship we have when two ratios are in proportion, because product of extremes is equal to product of means. That is why A into D is equal to B into C is the relationship we have. This product A into D is given as 70 and the product of B and C is given as 3.5x. I need to find the value of x. 35 cancels 70 2 times, but 3.5 will cancel for 20 times. Therefore, x value is 20. So, fourth option is the correct answer. A and B together can do a piece of the work in 50 hours. B and C together can do the same work in 75 hours. And A and C can do the same piece of work in 25 hours. Find the time in which A, B and C together will complete the task. So here AB combination, BC combination, CA combination is given. So it is given that AB, BC, CA. So AB combination 50 days, BC combination 75 days, hours, and AC combination is 25 hours. If I take LCM as 300, which can be assumed as the total work. Therefore, their respective efficiencies are 300 by 50, 6 units, 300 by 5, 4 units, 300 by 25, 12 units. Their collective efficiency will be 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 12, 22. Efficiency of all three groups AB, BC and CA. If I mix these three groups, I will get double of A, double of B, double of C. So that means double of ABC efficiency is 22. Therefore, ABC collective efficiency is 11 units per hour. Total work is. So to complete this work at the speed of 11 units per hour takes 300 by 11 hours. So fourth option is the correct answer. 5. The difference between greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers exactly divisible by 36 and 48. So as we have to find difference between greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers, those two numbers to have the difference. Or else the best technique we have is the difference of greatest and smallest numbers. The difference must also be divisible by both 36 and 48. Therefore, as per divisibility formula, to be divisible by 36 and 48 exactly, that number should be divisible by 9 as well as 8. Let us check which of the options are matching with both the 9 and 8. If I take first option, so first option is matching with 9 table, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. It is divisible by 9. And also let us verify 8. The divisibility formula for 8 is last 3 digits. So 8 11s are 88. It is also matching with 8 table. Next. Second option, 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. It is matching with 9 table. Now let us check with 8 table. 11 8s are 88, 12. It is not matching. Next, third option is also matching with 9 table. Let me verify with 8 table. 3 8s are 24, 58. It is not divisible by 8. Last option is also matching with 9 table. Let us check with 8 table. So 12 8s are 96, 22. It is not divisible by 8. Therefore, first option is the correct answer, which is matching both the 9 as well as 8. If a machine A and B can produce 1100 units in 9 hours and 12 hours respectively, in how many hours can machine A and B working together at these constant rates produce 1100 units? In the given statement, A and B separately can produce 1100 units each in 9 hours and 12 hours separately. But if they work together, how long will it take for them to complete the same work? So when the work is same, you can directly take product of the hours by the sum of the hours. Sum of the hours. So 3 table I am cancelling 3 times. 3 table 7 times. So 36 by 7 hours is the answer. Robin travels 1/4 of the distance at 20 km per hour, another 1/4 at 10 km per hour, and the remaining distance at 20 km per hour. Find Robin's average speed for entire journey. So here, the average speed is equal total distance traveled by, let me suppose total distance is d, by total time taken. Time taken in the first case, d/4 of the distance is at 20 km per hour. In the sense, the total time taken is d by 4 by 20, which gives us d by 80, plus time taken in the second case to travel again 1/4, d by 4 by 10, that gives us d by 40, plus, and the remaining distance is half distance at 80 km per hour. Therefore, time taken is equal d by 2 by 80, which gives us d by 160. So d taken common into cancel. In the denominator itself, the LCM is 160. So 160 2 times plus 4 times plus 1 time. 160 brought to numerator, 160 by 7. 7 cancel here, 2 7s, 40. 20, again 14. 60, 87. So 22.86% is the answer. So 22.86 km per hour is the average speed. A chair is bought for 800 rupees and sold for 1100 rupees. Find the gain percentage. Here it is given purchase price is 800 and selling price is 1100. So gain is 300. But I want to find gain percentage. Therefore 300 is the gain out of 800 into 100 gives us the percentage. 2 zeros cancel. 8 cancel 12.5 times. Answer 37.5% is the answer. So third option is the correct answer. Now, next question. The curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 110 centimeter square. What is the base diameter? So it is given curved surface area. What we have to find is diameter. First, let us try to find out the radius. After that, we can take double the radius to get the diameter. So as it is given curved surface area of R 2 pi r h. Pi is 22 by 7. R, radius is unknown. Into height is given as 14. The curved surface area is given as 110. Therefore, curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi h. I am substituting h value and the curved surface area value to get radius value. So I am cancelling 22 table right side 5 times. 7 table 2 times. Therefore, 2r is equal, 1 2 is brought right side, 1 2 kept on left side. Therefore, 5 by 2. 2r is known as diameter. Diameter is equal to 5 by 2, which is equal 2.5 centimeter is the answer. The market price of an item was 2000 rupees, but the shopkeeper offered a discount of 20%. How much did he finally sell the item for? So here it is given 20% discount in 2000. 20% of 2000 is 400 rupees is the discount allowed. So out of 2000, if 400 is the discount allowed, then selling price will be 2000 minus 400. That gives us 1600 rupees is the answer. How many years will 800 amounts to 926.1 rupee at 10% per annum compounded half yearly? So here it is given compounded half yearly means 800 become 926.1. So if you see approximate interest here I am getting 126 rupees out of 8 rupees. I am taking 128. Not an issue. You can take 128. 8 cancel here how many times? 16 times. So approximately I am getting 16% interest. So for every half year I will get 5%. Full year 10%. Half year 5%. So to get 16%, approximately how many half years I have to wait? 3 half years. 3 half years means 1.5 year is the answer. So like this, you have to solve this kind of problem based on approximation. Don't try to solve the problem by writing the equations for compound interest, which takes long time to solve the problems. So as I did, first roughly guess what is the approximate percentage of interest received and how many sessions are required to get. And how many sessions are required to get that much interest, you have to guess it. So 3 sessions, where each session is half year, 3 sessions means 1.5 years is the answer without writing any equations. If A plus B is 25 and A minus B is 7, then the mean proportion of A and B. So when it is given A plus B and A minus B, the bigger value is half of sum plus difference. Sum plus difference is 32. 32 by 2 is 16 is the A value. And to get B value, we have to take sum minus difference by 2. 25 minus 7, 18. 18 by 2, 9. So, but I have to find the mean proportion between these two, which I suppose as some x. So, 16 is to x is as x is to 9. The mean proportion is x. So, we have x square is equal to 144. X is equal to square root of 144 is 12. The answer is first option.